Today we will start with MRR or resale rights. So what is resale rights and what is MRR? MRR stands for Master Resale Rights. So there is a difference between resale rights and Master Resale Rights also. Okay, I will tell that in details. So what is resale rights? Just in general, let me talk about that. So in general, resale rights, it's something, suppose you bought something, it's like we do it all the time, right? We sell our product, like physical products, in a Craigslist, in garage sale, in our Facebook market. So we buy something and we use something and then maybe we sell that, right? Those are about the digital product. Exactly like that, you can also sell digital product, because that's my specialty. I will talk only about digital products here. Okay, so some people can give you that resale rights in digital products. For example, suppose I am selling an ebook with resale rights. Okay, it's called PLR or private resale rights. So suppose I am selling that to you, a ebook. You bought that ebook from me, and then you read it, you used it, or it's in your collections. That's good. If you want to sell it, if I give you the rights, you can sell it. Okay, and there are also whether you can change my name or not, or that, those are also in that attachment or terms and conditions. It will be written there. But that is called resale rights. Suppose, as I said, it's my ebook, you bought it, I wrote the ebook, but instead of writing your own book from the scratch, now you are selling it. You can sell it to other people because you asked me for to buy. You asked me that, hey, Kaya, can you help me? Will you give me the resale rights for your product? I said yes, but that will cost this much. So yeah, you bought that resale rights from me, and then you started selling it to the other people, that product. That is called private resale rights. And what is master resale rights? So master resale rights is even little bit one step further. In master resale rights, suppose I bought a course or you bought a course from me, then you can resell it, or you can sell that course to your student, maybe, or your client, and then your client can also sell that to their clients, because I sold you master resale rights, and you will also sell your client master resale rights. Master resale right is like you can sell it over and over and over and again. But in private resale rights, you have some restrictions. They will say that you can resell it, but you have to give it as a bonus, but you can't sell it in your own name, and there is some restriction in RR or resale rights. But in master resale rights, it is little bit further. So that's why it's little expensive than PLR. Okay, so I will talk about master resale rights, and this is one of my peer whose name is Tamika. Her progress, and it is a real progress, but she is real. So she invested on that program. That means she bought that course that have master resale right. So she bought that course on November 2023. Okay, MRR course. It's called Master Resale Rights. Now you can ask, what is that course about? Okay, that course was about digital marketing. It's like about how to build a funnel in System.io, then how to do marketing, how to do email marketing, how to use Canva and create all the graphic design. So it's really a very comprehensive big course, like 20 plus hours of course. Okay, we bought that course to learn some digital marketing. That was her goal. Digital marketing's like selling, organic marketing, graphic design, Facebook marketing, and all that. So she and of course funnel design. So that's how she bought it, and because she wanted to learn those. But whoever sell to her, they said that you can also sell this same product to other people. And Tamika thought it is affiliate program, because in affiliate, if you are aware of affiliate marketing, we can sell other people's courses, right? That is possible. However, in affiliate, we get commissions. That can be 40%, that can be 10%, that can be 50%, that can be 70%, that can be 80% maybe, but it's never 100%. Okay? But to Tamika, they said you can resell the product with 100% profit. So for example, Tamika bought the product or that course, and that course is very comprehensive, very good course on digital marketing, because he wanted to become a freelancer for email marketing and funnel building. So she invested $1,000 because she bought the course for $1,000. And then in December she took time to learn what they are teaching inside that course. And then, because at first she was not sure whether she will sell it. Okay, mostly in MRR it is not obligation. There is like affiliate commission. There is no obligation that you have to sell the product. Okay, you may want to sell it, or you just take the advantage of the knowledge of that course. Okay, so that's what she did. She just took advantage of the knowledge at first in November, December, that she took time. But then in January she shared it with some of her friends or her students, and she made $1,500. Then in February she made $7,000. And then she found that, well, it is working. Because her own course is not ready. She's doing good with affiliate commissions here and there, and she's learning. As I said, she's doing some service freelancing job for funnel building. In the meantime, she wanted to sell because her course is not ready. So till January she made $1,500 and February $7,000. So she got some inspiration, I will say, and she invested some in marketing, so like Facebook marketing or TikTok marketing. So she invested some money on those marketing, and on March 2023 she made $17,000, and April 2023 she made, actually right now it's almost $25,000. The last time I talked with her, it was $22,000 in April. Okay, and when I'm giving Tamika's example, I want to say that I myself made almost $138,000. And again, I have my coaching, I have my digital marketing agency, and the top of it I did MRR. Okay, so I myself made that, because MRR is right now, it is not that saturated like affiliate. It is, people are slowly learning about it, and it was very lucrative in 2023 because people just started learning about it. And right now also it's in their teenage, it's not that saturated. So if anybody want to take advantage of this timing, they will be very, very, that profit will be, they will gain, that's for sure. Sometimes you are late in the party, right? So if you do the MRR right now, you are not late in the party. But again, I believe in, like, if it works, it works, because I know affiliate marketing is saturated. I know e-commerce is, because I started my journey with e-commerce, is saturated. So I don't do full-time e-commerce, but still there is a way to do e-commerce nowadays where you will, it's not saturated. Okay, so there is, you have to tackle the new way. You have to evolve with this year's resolution or that year's, you have to evolve with the changing of market. So anyway, so that is the story of Tamika, and look at it. Please read it. How much time Tamika gave. It's not full time, guys. I mean, if you are in a full-time job, I will not tell you that you give up your full-time job right now, because if you have lots of responsibility, if you have to bring food on the table, you can't do it, honestly. But hey, can you do it part-time? So what she did, 1 hour per week content creation, only 1 hour. 1 hour per week study and training. She was studying the training and trying to implement it. And 15 minutes each day content posting. So you can start with one platform. So she started with one platform. So that platform she used to take 15 to 20 minutes just to post the content. One time a week she used to go live, like I'm doing right now, 30 minutes to 45 minutes of live, and that's it. So is it possible with your regular job or something? If you think that no, I need lots of time. No, the MRR, because it's already done for you service. That's what I will talk more about it. Because MRR, if you think about MRR, if you don't, that's okay. Our three in next week I will talk about affiliate marketing and all digital products. And also, if anybody is interested in MRR, the beauty of MRR is it is very doable because it's all done for you. The course is already done for you, and if you follow the instruction, you can build, because the funnel is already done for you. So everything almost already done for you. You just have to do the marketing, kind of like organic marketing, if you want to do like content creation, study, and content posting and all that. However, as I said, I mentioned that Tamika also did Facebook ad, and I don't know about YouTube ad, but she did Facebook ad. So, and Facebook, and you can understand that, yeah, you have to spend some money, but those are automations, and you can reach to thousands of millions of people in one day. Okay, like organic is little slow, but those are not slow. So that's how I'm trying to tell you that if you know the marketing, and that is my expertise, I can teach you guys, you can become very successful with MRR. So if, as I said, this I know her, but I'm giving you some example, real life example. She is in, and she said she made 80,000 in last 1 month. If you guys can see her, so she is in Instagram, and you guys can look for them. And another is Jessica Johnson. I know her from like 2018. She said she's making 475K per month. I'm not sure about it, but that possible. And then she's also very, very popular social media influencer. So she wanted to stay home with her kids, and she told her husband that turns out I now make more in 1 month I did for an entire year at my 9-to-5 job. Okay, that's what she's saying in her post. So guys, if you want to search them, you can search them. However, this is the warning, guys. Most of those seller, and also in TikTok many people are watching, you can see every day people are teaching you about MRR, digital marketing, this and that, but they are not teaching you how to do traffic. In my digital marketing agency, we teach that, and also we have done for you service and all that. Okay, so that is that's how I am different than other people. In my Master Resale Rights training,